What is going on, traders? I hope you guys crushed it last week. I am Steven, also known as Sniper, and I run a Discord called the Daily Sniper. Our objective is to teach people how to trade options and futures. If you like the content, guys, the link for the Discord will be in the bio. 40% off deal happening right now. Use code HAPPYDAD at checkout, HAPPYDAD. Let's get into today's video. So first things first. The first trade we ended up getting into, guys, we ended up gapping up in the morning. So I started seeing weakness, okay? The first candle that broke out in the morning, weakness, we sold off. We made a new high, sold off. We made a lower high, sold off. We made another lower high, sold off. I ended up getting puts at 522, right? On this 5-minute candle here, as soon as we broke up and we closed beneath this high of this 5-minute candle, we got the puts, guys, and we sold the move. I really wish I held for the entire day, but it was a good spot to be entering puts at, but the trend was bullish. So we buy where we're supposed to buy and we sell the move at all times. We don't want to worry about what could have happened and should have happened, right? We're buying where we're supposed to be buying. The only thing guaranteed in trading is the current profit and the current loss that you currently have on your brokerage. The next trade I ended up getting into, guys, I told you guys, our major key level, 522. We broke out of 522. We sold the puts. We came back up to retest, got the puts again at 522. I brought 522 puts right back in the money. A lot of people, after this big sell-off, guys, they're trying to short this the entire time. But look at the title of my last video. Above 520, SPY is bullish. The last trade I ended up getting into, we broke out of 520. I ended up getting 519 calls right back in the money, right? Why? Because our key level 520, the previous resistance of the day before, look at all these 5-minute wicks, guys. Previous resistance, we come right back down, we break out of it. I ended up buying the calls, and I ended up having almost the low of the day. I literally bought the low of the day. When you are trading, you have to keep in mind, especially if you want to go long, lower highs but higher lows is bullish, right? So we broke out of this, made a lower low. We came back up, guys. You see how we're making higher lows but lower highs at the same time, right? This was an indication of a bullish trend. We ended up breaking through a couple key levels, so we had to retest. First level, 520.86. You see how we bounced here before? We broke through it. Look exactly where we came right back up, guys. It's not that complicated when you are just trading the key levels. Even though we ended up getting puts at the height of the day, obviously I wish I held, guys, but the trend's bullish. It doesn't matter what's happening. If you are going against a trend and you're buying in at the correct level, you just sell the move, right? As soon as you're green, sell the move. And you can leave some runners to continue going. But from my experience in trading, guys, especially in options trading, selling the move makes more money than holding for the whole day's trend after 1 year, right? I keep preaching this to you guys. The micro wins beat the macro wins. The small wins consistently beat the big wins. I'm telling you right now, over 1 year. How do I know this? Because I do this for real. I'm a real professional options trader. Who cares of what you heard, what people are saying? Dimitri, myself, options doctor, and Gundy, we do this for real year to year. We know how to be successful in trading options and futures and stocks. And there's a reason what makes us profitable, because we're buying where we're supposed to be buying. Even though there's a lot more downside or a lot more upside, we don't care. We're selling the move. We make $1,000, we sell. $2,000 sell. $3,000 sell, right? It's very, very quick moves. Now, let's look at the chart right now. So what I'm looking at right now, again, 520, guys, as Friday's or Thursday night's video, 520, above 520, we are bullish. So our next level, we're going to be keeping an eye on. The biggest level right now is 520. Whether we gap down, we come back up to 520, I'm hitting the puts. We break up past 520, come back down to 520. We're going to stop out and get into calls because 520 will be a support. We gap up tomorrow and we come back down to 520. We're going to be hitting calls. If we break 520 and come back up to 520, that's when we get out of our puts or get out of our calls and get into puts, because we are going to be anticipating a drop off, guys. What we do And what we specialize in is just making consistent money day to day. We may not have the biggest win discords, the $100,000 days, $200,000 days, like all these scam artists that are doing. We're posting real gains. We're buying in. We are live streaming. We are talking through each trade. We're not just typing the best levels. We are walking people through each level. If you'd like to be a part of the Discord, guys, we have a promotion going on right now. Use code HAPPYDAD at checkout, and that is it. I will hop on YouTube. All you need to know is 520 support. We're bullish. 520 rejection. We're going to sell off to 518. 520 support. We're going to hit 522. That is it. Very simple at this range. Wait for the best level. Stop over trading and stay green. My name is Steven, also known as Sniper, guys, and I run the Daily Sniper. Thank you guys so much for all the likes, comments, and support that we have been continuously growing through all spectrums, guys, on the Discord and YouTube, and I'm very thankful for everyone that has been a part of the journey, guys. If you would like to be a part of the Discord, you want to make some more money, guys, the link is in the bio, and I will see everyone tomorrow. Take care.